सङ्गच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संवो मनांसि जानताम् देवा भागं यथा पूर्वे सञ्जानाना उपासते.
Neck rotation. Bend your neck to bring your right ear toward your right shoulder. Now perform the same on the left side. Slowly draw your chin toward your chest. Bend your neck backward and gaze up toward the ceiling. Gently turn head to right so that the chin is in line with shoulder. Perform on the other side. Now rotate your neck slowly in anti-clockwise direction and then in the clockwise direction. Shoulder stretching. Stand straight and raise your arms above your head. Stretch your arms and hold in this position. Slowly bring back your arms. Shoulder rotation. Remain in Sukhasana position or comfortable cross-legged pose. Keep your spinal cord straight. Keep your fingers on your shoulders and now rotate the hand in clockwise direction for 4 to 5 times. Then rotate your hand in anti-clockwise direction for 4 to 5 times. Trunk twisting. Bring your arms to shoulder height. Breathe in. As you breathe out, twist arms, shoulders, head and eyes to left. Now breathe in to center and repeat the same on the other side. And then relax. Knee movement. Lift your hands up in shoulder level. Exhale and bend knees and bring body down to squatting position. Inhale and straighten body. Repeat the same procedure for 2 more times. And then relax. Tadasana. Stand with your feet slightly apart. Inhale, raise your arms above your head. Interlock your finger with palms facing up. Raise your shoulders up towards your ears on an exhale. Hold in this position for some time. Roll your shoulders back and down your spine. Now come back to the normal position and then relax. Vrikshasana. Stand straight, bend your right knee and place the foot on left thigh. Find your balance. Breathe in and raise your arms over your head and bring palms in Namaste Mudra. Hold in this position for some time. Exhale and bring down your hands and release the right leg gently. Padahastasana. Keep your back straight. Inhale, raise your arms above the head. Come down while exhaling to the feet. Bring your torso in proximity to knees and try to touch your shin bone by chin. Do not lay pressure to this. Take few long breaths and then Slowly come up by raising your arms and relax. Ardha Chakrasana. Stand straight and arms alongside the body. Put your arms on your waist. Gently bend backward with knees straight, head up, and lifting your chest towards the ceiling. Hold in this position. Breathing in, come back, breathe out and relax. Trikonasana. Stand with your feet apart, raise arms sideways, bend to right side and place right hand behind right foot. Make sure your left arm is in line with right arm. Repeat the same for the left side. This strengthens calves, thighs and waist muscles. It makes spine flexible. Dandasana. Sit on the ground with your back straight and legs extended, come in front of you. Press sitting bones within the floor. Flexing your feet, press out the heels. Keep palms on ground for supporting spine. Keep your body parts straight and then relax. Bhadrasana. From Dandasana pose, put the soles of your feet together, exhale and grasp your hands towards toes. Pull your heels as close as possible. Keep your back erect and your gaze straight. And then come back. Vajrasana. Sit with your legs stretched straight in front of you. Fold both legs and sit in kneeling position. Keep hips on knees. Toes should point out behind you. Keep your head, neck and spine in a straight line. Place your palms on your thighs. Ardha Ustrasana. Come to Vajrasana pose. Raise up on your knee with arm to sides of your body. Keep palms on your hips. Bend head back and bend trunk backwards as much as possible. And hold in this position for some time. Exhale while coming back. Relax. Ustrasana. Sit in Vajrasana pose. Rise up on your knees with arms on side. Arch your back and slide your palms over your feet till the arms are straight. Don't strain your neck. Stay in this posture for a couple of breaths. Breathe out and slowly come back to the initial position. Shashankasana. Stretch both knees wide apart. Keep palms between the knees. Exhale and stretch them, bending forward. And place the chin on ground. Keep arms parallel. Inhale and come up to the original position. Uttana Mandukasana. Sit in Vajrasana pose. Spread both the knees wide. Inhale. Raise both your arms above your head. And place your right hand below the left shoulder. Similarly, left palm below right shoulder. Hold the pose for 3 to 10 breaths. Then release by lifting the left arm and then right arm. bring your knees closer and Vakrasana. Bend right leg, place the foot beside left knee. Bring left arm around the right knee and left palm beside right foot. Twist body and neck to right. Repeat the same on the other side. This asana increases flexibility at spine. It prevents constipation. Makarasana. Lie down on your stomach with feet wide apart. Point your feet outward. Place your hands under your head and relax in this position. This asana provides deep relaxation. It also relieves stress. Now bring your legs together and your hands in normal position. Bhujangasana. Lie on your stomach, stretch your arms, pull your arms towards chest, raise elbows, lift chin and chest up to navel region. This asana is best for stress management. Exhale and come back to original position. Shalabhasana. Lie down and rest your chin. Put both hands beside your body. Slowly raise your legs off the floor up without bending knees. Stay in this position for some time. Slowly exhale and bring legs down and your palms under your head. Setu Bandhasana. Keep your arms beside your body. Bend both knees. Hold ankles firmly. Slowly raise your buttocks and trunk as much as you can. Stay in this position for some time. Exhale, return to original position and bring back your legs. Uttana Padasana. Lie on the floor with legs stretched. As you inhale, lift both legs in air. While doing this, keep the torso on the floor. Legs should be at 30 degrees angle. Relax your legs and sit back. Plow posture. Lie on the floor and lift both the legs in the air at 90 degrees with torso on the floor. Bring back legs and relax. Pavanamuktasana. Lie on your back comfortably. Breathe in and as you exhale, bring your both knees towards your chest and the thigh on your abdomen. Hold it there. As you take deep, long breaths in and out, and then bring back your legs and relax. Shavasana. Sit back comfortably and lie down on your back with your arms comfortably apart, facing upwards. Keep your eyes closed and relax your whole body consciously. This asana helps to relieve all kinds of tensions. Kapalbhati Pranayam. Sit comfortably with your spine erect. Take a deep breath in. When you exhale, pull your navel back towards spine. Take 20 such breaths. Nadi Sodhana Pranayam. Sit straight and close your eyes. Place your right finger and little finger on the left nostril and thumb on your right to open and close that nostril. Breathe in through both nostrils. Close the right nostril and breathe out completely through left. Perform 5 to 9 rounds of this alternating breath between nostrils. Sheetalikaran Pranayam. Bring out your tongue while curling it on sides towards the center to form a tube-like shape. Inhale through the tongue. At this point, hold your breath for 6 to 8 seconds. Now exhale completely through your nostrils. Bhramari Pranayam. Sit straight and bring your thumbs to your ears and gently close them. Close your eyes with the other fingers. Now breathe in slowly through nostrils and then exhale slowly, emulating a steady low-pitched sound. Perform it at least for 10 times, both inhalation and exhalation. This is the best cure for stress. It nurtures peace in your being, which in turn results in self-healing. This prevents heart blockages. It helps dissipate anger. This helps with inducing deep sleep. Dhyan. Sit in any comfortable posture. Keep your spine erect. Hold Gyan Mudra and keep your palm facing upwards on thighs. Arms and shoulders should be loosened and relaxed. Maintain mild focus between eyebrows. This keeps your mind calm and increases concentration.